Alright guys, today we're going to continue on our axolotl squishies. Please watch part 1, part 2, part 3, and then part 4. Obviously I watched them. And we're on the gills. I hope you colored the inside of the gills. I did, but I'm not sure if you can see that. Really nice. That is just grab, try using the shade that you didn't use. When you start coloring, remember to be gentle. But you don't want to tear the tissue. The ending is very cute, and it'll end up like a normal DIY squishy, but maybe cuter. I mentioned this in my last video. If you didn't watch those, I'll tell you right now. I'm making a new. I'm gonna film a new YouTube channel with my friend, best friend. She's starting it after, and I'm gonna be in it, but I'll still make this. Not working. Oh yeah, it's working. If you are my subscriber, you know this one. You need this one. I mean, just your other one that has a similar shape to it. And then continue using the other one. Now you're done drawing your axolotl. And now for the final touch, blush. You need blush. So axolotl are really cute. And yeah, so you draw a little circle. I think you all know, but if you don't know, draw a little circle and then color in. Draw a little circle and color in. I'm not done coloring fully. You can pause the video if I'm rushing and you can't catch up. That's okay, you can pause it. Okay. Now that you're done, me and you are done, we're gonna get plastic wrap. My golden plastic wrap. Put your markers away. Plastic wrap. You put it like the tape ring or the tape in your face. Put it there. Put it like that. So you can only see the tape. No adorable face yet, but you're gonna do this. Wrap it corner to corner, and then grab on it and tape it. We're almost done, guys. You can do it. I believe in you. And secure the plastic wrap with tape anytime. And then there you go. You're done. You cute little axe. Oh my gosh, that looks heavy. Now you're done your cute little axolotl. This slow rising. Make sure there's some air holes, like a small one, or else it just stay like, oh, it'll just pop. You'll have to make it again. And my next video is also another squishy one. I hope you enjoy watching these videos. And have a good day. Bye.